Another history-making day in Jamaican sports. The senior reggae girls have qualified for the World Cup finals. I know, this must be a sign, because the last time the men's World Cup finals were held in France in 1998, the reggae boys qualified for their first World Cup final. And now the women's World Cup finals will be held in France next year, and the reggae girls have now qualified for their first World Cup final. FIFA need to ask France to host every single World Cup final. But hey, with all the controversy surrounding the men's team at the moment, the Jamaican women have saved the day in a massive way. And we expect everybody to be lining up for a space on the wagon, but to the late, because the Maverick hold on to the last spot. But hey, we all know that the women's program in Jamaica was reignited by the efforts of Cedella Marley, the daughter of the late reggae king Bob Marley, ably supported by the previous Captain Burrell JFF administration, as well as the current Mike Ricketts administration. But of course, Mr. Ricketts will be surely staking his claim as president for life after being the man in charge for this history-making journey. Anyway, it no matter who want the credit or who want jump on the wagon. Right about now, it's all about celebration with the girls. And you know from you saw the girls and celebration and the boy bring that, yeah.